How's it going, everyone? This is Ludwig Does Everything. Do you know what is better than one motorcycle?
Two motorcycles.
This is 1982 Honda CB900C. But why would you care about this? Here on YouTube, I'm going to show you how to restore your project bike. How to go from barnyard fine to having a good time. So far, this bike has cost me 650 Canadian pesos to purchase. I've ordered $420 worth of parts. We're in this for over $1,000. And we're going to try to keep this on the cheap, try to keep it on a budget. So I'm going to show you how to do this as cheap as possible, but make it look like showroom condition. That's my goal. So in the next episode, you're going to see me taking off brake calipers, taking off master cylinder in the front, taking off all the chrome pieces, getting ready for a polish. Stay tuned each episode and see this motorcycle be one step closer to its former glory.